Hello, welcome back to AyaansMath. Today we are looking at one logical Olympiad problem, radical problem. Square root of solve x comma y belongs to real numbers. Square root of x plus y minus square root of x minus y plus square root of x square minus y square equal to 5. 2x plus 3 root of x square minus y square equal to 19. So as you are going to solve this challenging problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it out. Okay, and also if you are new, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. So how to solve this problem? So here you can do by squaring on both sides and you can solve this problem, but it will take somewhat difficult. So let us take the given equation as 1 and 2. Now the second equation I am doing some adjustment. That is the logic here in this problem. Root of x plus y whole square plus root of x minus y whole square plus 3 root of x square minus y square is equal to 19. This is the logical step. Here you will get x plus y into x plus y plus x minus y. Y get cancel, again you will get 2x. Now this can be written as root of x plus y minus root of x minus y whole square plus 5 root of x square minus y square is equal to 90 now. So here a square b square is there. So we are doing minus 2ab adding here, minus 2ab adding here. We are getting 90 now. But from 1 root of x plus y minus root of x minus y is equal to 5 minus root of x square minus y square. From first equation we are getting this value. Now replacing this in second equation, 5 minus root of x square minus y square whole square plus 5 root of x square minus y square is equal to 19. So in the place of root x plus y minus root of x minus y, you are writing this value. Now if you open the bracket here, 25 plus square root of x square minus y square whole square minus 10 root of x square y square 5 root of x square minus y square is equal to 19. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Now here you will get a quadratic x square minus y square whole square minus 5 root of x square minus y square, both if you add, here you will get plus 6 equal to 0. Sending 19, 25 minus 19, we are getting 6. Now it is a quadratic in x and root of x square y square. So let us take it as a t root of x square minus y square t square minus 5t plus 6 equal to 0. If you do the factors here, you'll get t minus 3 into t minus 2 equal to 0. Root of x square minus y square is equal to 3, or root of x square minus y square equal to 2. Now, replace these values in second equation. Replace this in second equation. So 2x plus 3 into 3 is equal to 19. Here you'll get 2x plus 3 into 2 equal to 19. 2x equal to 10, x equal to 5. So 2x equal to 13, x equal to 13 by 2. Now, replacing the values in this equations, x value square root of x square minus y square equal to 3. So x square means 25 minus y square equal to 3. Squaring on both sides. 25 minus y square equal to 9. Y square equal to 25 plus 9. 25 minus 9. Y is equal to square root of 16. Y is equal to plus or minus 4. So here we are getting two values, 5 comma 4, 5 comma minus 4. Now if you substitute this value, 169 by 4 minus y square, square root of, is equal to 2. So here 169 by 4 minus 4 equal to y square. So 153 by 4 plus or minus square root of is equal to y. So here we are getting 13 by 2 comma root 153 by 2. The second one is 13 by 2 minus root 153 by 2. By substituting the values, only the solutions will be two values. By replacing 5 comma 4 and 13 by 2 comma root 153 by 2 will satisfy the equation, both the equations. I hope you understood the video. If you think this is valuable for you, please consider subscription. Thank you for watching Math Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Math Olympiad.